Did you know a single lightning bolt is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun? That's over 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine that, a crack of energy hotter than anything in our solar system, just blasting through the sky in a split second. It's absolutely mind-blowing. And here's the wild part, that extreme heat instantly turns the air around it into glowing plasma, creating that brilliant flash we all see. Talk about nature's ultimate light show. So next time a storm rolls in, remember you're witnessing temperatures that can vaporize rock in an instant. How incredible is our planet? If you loved this shocking fact, hit that like button, subscribe for more electrifying science, and share this with a friend who needs a jolt of awesome today.